What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. My name's Leandro Dimonriva, and today we're going to be making a cocktail called A Poet's Dream. The Poet's Dream was first published by W.J. Tarling in his Café Royale cocktail book, 1937, and it also bears mentioning that it had a little appearance in the Esquire Handbook for Hosts in 1947, and that's all I know about this cocktail. All the other details have been lost to time, as happens with a lot of these old school drinks. I wanted to make it for you because it's a wonderful martini variation that pairs dry vermouth, Benedictine, and orange bitters to make a lovely, fragrant cocktail that you will love very much, and I'm going to show it to you. So let's get into the drink. First thing, orange bitters, 2 dashes. Ouch. Then we do 3/4 of an ounce of dry vermouth, 1/4 of an ounce of Benedictine. And we're gonna put that in the top there and kind of eye it out. And then 2 lovely ounces of gin. I like to use the London Dry style here. Pick your favorite London Dry. I think Beefeater is good. It gives you a lot of bang for your buck. And we're just gonna add our ice and stir. All right, let me see, does that look properly chilled? Yeah. It's chilled enough, and I got my lovely scalloped julep strainer from Barfly, and I love this strainer. It's so wonderful and awesome. I love this the scalloped one is like a very old school, it's a very old school, very vintage style of julep strainer. And then we're just gonna take a lovely little lemon peel and we're gonna give it a little twist, a little rub around, stick it up in that bad boy, and let's try it. That is going to be one of my new favorites. I'm going to take another sip. I mean, it's got everything that like my favorite martini has, but then it also has this extra added Benedictine to it to give it like another sort of sweet kind of note, but it's not enough to really overpower the cocktail. I love this. There you go, guys, the Poet's Dream.